Thanks for starting your free trial of SalesNexus. We know that the problem with setting up a CRM is that you're too busy running your business. That's why we've created some super easy and fast ways to get you set up and benefiting from your CRM quickly. If you're the DIY type, we've got training videos on every feature in the system. You can even chat with our team in real time and get super fast answers to your questions. And you can schedule a one-on-one training session with one of our trainers at a time that fits your calendar. You just book it on our site and get an email with your logon information. It goes on your calendar and you're all set. And there's no cost. But if you're too busy, we've got some other great options for you. All the way from completely turnkey, where you tell us how you want your CRM to work and we go away and build it for you. And then we train your team to use it, to simply helping you load your contacts and customers into the system, customizing a few fields, customizing a couple of reports, and training your team to get started. And everything in between. You're probably thinking, wow, I bet that's super expensive. But that's the best news. Because we provide the setup and training ourselves and don't farm it out to a separate set of consultants. We've made it super fast and efficient for you and super affordable for you. For a team of 10 or more salespeople, you can have your entire CRM set up with email campaigns, customized dashboards, permissions and privileges, all your data loaded, and a training session for everybody on your team for less than $3,000. And for smaller teams, we have packages that are less than $1,000, including training and setup. So if you want, dive in and start using SalesNexus today. Everything you need is there for you to set it up and go to work right away. And of course, we're always there to help you. Or if you want to get on the phone, let's talk about your needs and we'll get to work setting it all up for you. The best way to get started is to schedule your one-on-one training session. So click the link in this video and you can choose a time that fits perfectly on your calendar.